Sometimes do you just need to have the text in your spreadsheet at an angle? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate the text in Google Sheets in just a few minutes. Check out this tech tip in 2 minutes. Hey friends, I'm Tebaldo on Tech, aka the Paperless Professor. I'm a professor and a doctoral student, and I share tips, tech tips, resources, reviews for teachers and students who want to be paperless or just learn more about ed tech. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning friend, it's good to see you again. Let's get learning. Okay, you can see here that I'm in my Google Drive. I'm in Safari. I'm not in the Google Drive app, nor do I have the Google Docs or Google Sheets apps installed on this particular iPad. So from here, Safari, I go ahead and select New, Google Sheet, and it'll open up a Google Sheet. And you can see it's going to ask you, do you want to do that? And I say, no, I'm not interested. And the reason I'm not interested in this is because, as you can see, this is giving me pretty much the desktop version of Google Sheets. Same would go for Google Docs and Google Slides. So things I have in here, I would not normally have in the app. So full version running here. So for this particular spreadsheet, I want it to be an information spreadsheet. So go ahead and give it a header. And then from here, these are what I want to collect from the folks that I'm working with. Except that I don't want them to be in this layout. I actually want them to be at an angle. So here you can see that there is this text rotation button, and I would prefer that everything be angled a little bit. So that is how you can change the angle. I can even set specific degrees here. And right now it's at a 45, but I want it to be -60 and it'll look like that. There's some presets here. So if you want them to go down, up, straight up and down, just really depends on what you're looking for. Well, I hope this tip was helpful. A couple of things I want to just reiterate is on the iPad, you cannot be in the Google Sheets app. That must be uninstalled, and you must be working from Safari. And as far as Excel goes on the iPad, it just cannot be done in the Excel app. So those are some important things to know about angling your text. Thanks for watching this video. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of the tech tips in 2 minutes or any of the other upcoming videos. Feel free to check out my podcast also, where we interview and hear from teachers who innovate, engage, and inspire using technology in their classrooms. The link's in the description below. And don't forget to check out some of the other tech tips in 2-minute videos, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, keep learning, friends.